Well, hi everyone. I've just had this parcel delivered. I've just cut the address and everything out. I'm not sure who this is from, but we shall find out, won't we? Let's get cutting. Let's see if we can't get this off. Cut up the edges. And this one. That's it. Let's see if we get the end. Yep. So that's that one. Out the way. Right. We'll cut this one off. Hopefully this is the last bit. Oh. Blimey. Packed well. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's better. Oh, that's a waste of... Oh, at least I know now. Modelones. So, there we go. Modelones. They always have some lovely... because on this one it'll tell you your Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest if you want to go on there and have a look at what they do. So we shall see what's in the box. Get it open. Okay. Alright. So we have a lamp. Oh, so there's a lamp there, and some polishes. That should go in there. So we'll get this one out. And there's those. So we'll have a look at those. And this is a kit, by the way. This is what you'll get with the kit. I will leave all the information in the drop down box. And like I say, this is what you'll get, as you can see. So the files you'll get is 100, 180. Let's come down a little bit now on that one. And these are, oh, they're the same, 100, 180. That's like got a sponge, it feels spongy on that one. And the collars, turn it around. So you've got a base coat and a top coat, and then you've got all these collars. So I'll just take them out in a bit. The lamp. And we take it out. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is pretty. Again, I do like these USB, as I can move this anywhere, because I plug this into my charger to my phone. Where you charge it up, well, you'll see. And you've got all your buttons there. So what have we got there? So we have 60, 90 and 30 on there. Wow. Just look forward to trying that one. It's a beautiful little thing. Right, let's have a look what we have here in this. So, it won't make too much noise. Okay, so we've got your remover, which is your think it's like your wipe off and a cleanser. They are ever so good. I've had these in different kits, and they're really nice and they smell beautiful. They are really, really nice. You've got your toe separators on there. And what do we have in here? Let's see. Might get it out. Oh, pair of tweezers. And they've got a little protector that you can put on so you can keep them together on that one. And this one is, oh, cuticle oil. That's the air ambulance just going over. It goes over quite often, I'm afraid. Somebody's in trouble somewhere. I love these. You can take them anywhere. You know, they're so handy. You just twist it up, and then you rub around. You just keep twisting. You see? As much as or little as you want. I love these. Like I say, put them in your handbag, so you like a pen. And you can do it anytime. A hot dog. Lovely and fluffy. Oh God, that's gorgeous. So let's get your dust off. This, love them. I always use this. It always gets the skin. You know, you push everything back, which I've got here. This, push all your cuticle back, and then I go along with this and gently fetches it all off. So those are great. So we've got little, what's the names to get your nails off on there. Yeah, that seems a very strong one as well for the size. And oh, we've got some little stickers as well. Oh, look at those, holographic. Lovely. Well, like I say, all this comes with this particular kit. And then you've got some little decorations to put on your nails when you're finished. So, I think that's it for what comes with the kit. And like I say, you've got everything you need. With your gel polishes, you've got instructions. Yes, English. On there for the LED lamp. Oh, right. I don't know if that's one of those then. That's a cleanser. Let's remove easily. Oh, right, that's one of those. If you can see it there. You could put your fingers in, and it instead of doing it yourself and putting bako foil over the little packets by the looks of it that you just slide on. Very good. Okay, so that's what comes with the kit. So what I'll do now, I'll just get some false nails and we'll have a look what these are like. Right, I've got the polishes out and I've got my little things to do on them. But this is the thing that I use with my phone. So what I've done, I've plugged it in. There's your USB there. So I've plugged it into that. And see where it plugs in the other end. So we'll see if it comes on. And there we go. Oh, no problem at all. It's lovely. Love the design of that. Absolutely great. So I'm going to be using that to cure the gel polish. Just put things out the way. Right, so here we go. So I'm just going to put the false nails on there and I'll be back. Okay, so you've got your 7 colours. And also, with this one, you've got a primer with it. And it is acid free as well. So you've got your primer, your base coat and your top coat. Now I don't obviously need to use the base coat, but that you'll put first. Then you'll put your base coat. Don't forget to cure. And I will be using the top coat when I've done the nails. Now I'll tell you the colours as we're going along. So I'll just finish this last one off. So that one's there. So this one is cream, but it looks white. And like I've said before, some colours look as if they need 2 coats, some don't. That sounds like the air ambulance on its way back. Terrible. We have got a busy road that's not far away, and they always seem to be having a few accidents, and now things are getting back to normal. There's more traffic. Anyway, I digress. Look at that. That is a gorgeous white. Beautiful. So while that's curing, I'll just do them for 30. Where are we? 30. But if you only need 1 coat, then obviously do 60. If using 2 coats, then do a 30, then a 60. So this one is called Blooming, and it looks as if this is a bit of a glitter. Yes, it is. So we'll see how this one. So this would be nice with a colour underneath and just go over the top. But if you like it sheer, not much showing, like me, I prefer. I'm not a person that likes strong colours on my own nails. So that one's Blooming, and like I say, that's the first coat. So we will try that. So that other one's done. Now we'll do this one. Okay, so the next one is strawberry ice cream. Oh, that sounds nice. It's very hot here at the minute. Got a little bit of breeze coming through the window, but not a lot. Oh, this is lovely pink. Yeah. I would say that would need 2 coats on that one. So the ones that need 2 coats, I will leave. Mind you, now that it's on, well, we'll see. So the next one is, where are we? First Love. So I would imagine this is more like a beige. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it. Pinky, nude colour. It's a nice colour. These little bottles are lovely. They do some amazing designs for the bottles. They've really taken the time to think of something different. Now I would say that needs another coat as well on that one. I'll leave that one aside. So the next one is Poetry. Oh, this one, like a violet. Oh, that's a beautiful colour. Now that's a colour that I would wear. That's really nice. They go on really well. They flow really well. And that's what you need. And there's that one. That one's come out beautiful as well. Right, so that's that. So like I say, some of these I will do a second coat, and then I'll show you at the end. So this is Dancing With Me. Oh, this is a this is vivid pink. Well, if you like that sort of thing. Yes, Vivian. You maybe a second coat on there, I'm not sure. And the last one is Ice Bar. And this is again a glitter. Oh, that look love. What I'll do, when I've done cured the white properly, I'll put this one over the top. And then we'll see how that works. Oh, God, it's got some lovely little bits of glitter in there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cure them all. And then I'll be back. So it is not a tacky top coat, so it's all nice, no problem. And I was right with these, but I thought you put your finger, yes you do, you wrap that over your nail, then you put your finger and that in there, like so, and that keeps that then nice and secure. What a good idea. You know, I mean, that's still big enough for my nails. My nails are quite long. They're growing really well at the minute. Must be the weather. Right, so I'll just move all this now and then I'll be back. So there are all the nails done, and these come as well. And these are to get, if there's any, obviously if there's any residue, but obviously there isn't, because the top coat is non-tacky, but that's what you do with those. So you've got everything you possibly need to start your nails, and you've got a lovely selection of gel polishes. And with everything else, the lamp, that's perfect, with my charger. And I will put everything back together and leave you with photos. Well, I'd like to thank MODELONES for sending me these to try, but like I say, it is a kit, and that's the kit there. But like I say, I will leave everything in the drop down box. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and I can't say anything at all that's ever wrong with MODELONES. It's always been great for me, and the design and everything else, or bottles and everything else, they are really good. Well, again, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next. Bye.